Hi guys, it's another beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. Well, I spent my day here in the farm purposely of so many things. Well, just this morning we were able to claim our chicks and I am so glad that we were able to hatch around 18 chicks. I was really dismayed in the first hatch because we only made 8 chicks out of the 30 eggs. But now we are lucky enough because we were able just this morning to claim 18 chicks out of the 30 eggs that were put in the incubator. Next Sunday, we're gonna be able again to harvest the third batch and I hope it will has more than 18 chicks. And actually they are here. You'll see this one? These are the native chickens that we are propagating in the farm. And this will be added in the family of the Dexter's World farm. And today, maybe you will ask, Dexter, what is this materials in front of you? Well, my purpose of actually coming here very early is for me to culture my probiotics. Well, as many of you have already known, this probiotics is really very essential for the growth and protection of our chicken. Well, we have here 120 adult chicken that are about to lay eggs and we will protect them because our season here in the Philippines is composed of two, the dry season and the wet season. And the dry season is almost to come to an end and we are now on the beginning of this rainy season. That is why it's really very important for this chicken to drink this probiotics. If we will buy this probiotics and directly feed to our chicken, of course we will spend a lot of money. That is why we have to make it on our own. This is a DIY thing. So our ingredients, 2 bottles of this Yakult, and of course we will use 2 tablespoons of this apple cider vinegar. I have here also 1/2 kilo of this brown rice. And of course, 1 kilo of this muscovado sugar. So you will note that I have here water. And this water is estimated to reach around 8 liters. And we are going to mix all these ingredients. Well, our purpose is actually to culture this thing, this lactobacilli. And then we will use this apple cider as our preservative. So we will now begin the process. We will wash this one very carefully and then after this we will put this inside in this 8-liter container. So we have here in this container now 8 liters of water and we wash the brown rice out of this water and we were able to produce 8 liters. So this 8 liters will be mixed with 1 kilo of this muscovado sugar and this is it. We're going to stir this up. And we will stir this very carefully and we will make sure that all the sugar will be diluted. So now we will mix our apple cider. Any brand will do as long as it is apple cider, but we will only get some 2 tablespoons in order to preserve this thing. This will not become rotten, so we will preserve this with this apple cider. Only 2 tablespoon. Okay, that's it. And then the final thing is now our probiotics. We will make these probiotics thrive in this container. So we will open this one, we will shake this first, and then open this one like that. I'm sorry. Okay, so that's it. Up, sorry. Aside from the vegetables that became the source of vitamins for our chicken, and aside from the pellets that they are eating, aside from the zula, we're feeding with these duckweeds and even the cabbage. Aside from all those things, we're using this one, and you will see the result. Our chicken have grown fat and big and very healthy. So maybe the next question is, what we gonna do with this thing? Well, we have to ferment this one. We cannot use this immediately. We will put this inside in the secluded area in a room where there is a good temperature. Room temperature will do. And then after 7 days of fermentation, we can now use this water, and this water now will become the source of good bacteria for our chicken. So guys, we will put this inside the room. So we put a cover, and then this will become fermented, or the fermentation process will be completed for the period of 7 days. And after 7 days, we're gonna be able to introduce now this probiotics, this good bacteria, to our chicken. I'm so glad reading your comments, guys. In fact, I was really touched by the concern that, Dexter, is there any other concern about like the predator in your farm? Do you have coyotes? Do you have snakes? Do you have other animals that would probably eat your chicken? Well, thank you for that reminder. And in fact, we have some predators here. We have the stray dogs, we have the snakes, and even the lizards are coming in. Since we have these puppies here, I am confident that how many months from now, this puppy is gonna be our good guards for this farm. Actually, there are 9 of them that are here. That is why I am patiently taking care of these puppies, because they can do a lot for this farm, especially on the security aspect. Of course, if the stranger will come in, these dogs in the future will be a good guard that will protect our animals here in the farm. Wait. So guys, I'm getting some cover crops. This is the main food for our rabbits. And this has a good vitamin content because I observed that when we are going to feed this cover crop, our rabbits will grow really very fast. And not only fast, they are also free from disease. They will not even suffer diarrhea. That's my experience in this cover crop. This is far more better than water spinach because sometimes if you will give the fresh water spinach, this will also cause some diarrhea to our rabbits. But this one is very safe. You can give this fresh to our rabbits. So I'll gather some and then we will go inside and we will feed this cover crop. So they are waiting for this, and they're eating now, and it seems that this is really very delicious. Well, I haven't tried this one, but it's really good. It's quite sweet, you know, for our rabbits. So you see that? They really like the grass. So guys, I hope you will continue to like and share our videos. And if you are new to our channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. I will invite you to subscribe because if you will do it, you will be notified of our future videos. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell. Only here at Dexter's World!